YOLO Reviews here, and today we're going to teach you how to replace a 2019 Nissan Key Fob battery. It requires a CR2025 battery, which we've got links to in the description below. In order to do this, the first thing you need to do is remove the spare key. So there's a little lever right here. You're going to press up on that lever, and that allows you to remove the spare key. Next, you're going to need a screwdriver of some type, and there's a little tab right here. You're going to insert your screwdriver in there, and you're going to be able to pry this open. So you can kind of see, there it is. That's that tab right there. We insert our screwdriver and we pry that key fob battery open for the 2019 Nissan Sentra, and then that's going to allow us to replace that battery. So you got to get in there, pry the two pieces apart, and now we've got access to the key fob battery. So we're going to take out the existing battery right here. It's a CR2025. Remove that. And then we've got our new CR2025 battery that we're going to replace the key fob with. Now you can see it's got a plus symbol in here. You want the plus symbol to be down, matching the plus symbol over there. So we insert that battery. We take our Nissan key fob, the other piece, and then we're going to just put it on top, and we're going to push down and click everything in place. And now we've got our Nissan key fob battery for the 2019 Nissan all replaced and all set. We reinsert our key, and now we're ready to go. So thanks for watching this video on how to change a Nissan 2019 Sentra key fob battery. We'll see you next time.